Understanding subcooling for thermostatic expansion valves and superheat for fixed orifices is key to keeping your air conditioning system running smooth and efficient. Alright, so first, when you want to figure out the total superheat in an air conditioning system, it's all about measuring the pressure and temperature on the suction line. You grab your gauge and check the suction pressure, then convert that pressure into saturation temperature using a refrigerant pressure temperature chart or a digital gauge that does it for you. After that, you measure the actual temperature of the suction line with a good thermometer or temperature sensor. The total superheat is just the difference between that actual suction line temperature and the saturation temperature you found from the pressure. This number tells you how much heat the refrigerant picked up after it evaporated, which is super important for diagnosing if your system's working right. If the superheat is too low, it might mean liquid refrigerant is coming back to the compressor, which is bad news. Too high, and your system could be starving for refrigerant or have a blockage somewhere. Keep your tools handy and always double-check your readings to avoid mistakes. One of the biggest mistakes with measuring superheat and subcooling is not getting accurate pressure readings, which totally throws off your saturation temperature calculation. Always make sure your gauge is calibrated and connected right. Another common screw-up is measuring the temperature too far from the service port. You want it right on the suction line near the evaporator outlet to get the real deal reading. Lastly, people often forget to subtract properly when calculating superheat. Remember, it's actual suction line temperature minus saturation temperature, not the other way around, or you'll get a totally wrong number that makes troubleshooting a headache. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without all the hassle, making home improvement way less stressful. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a solid way to connect with new clients and keep your work steady.